Today we're practicing stepping cloud hands. But first, let's do a warm-up and a brief review. Shifting the weight, opening the door, lifting water. Breathing in, breathing out. Floating up, sinking down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Stepping to the side, we shift, lift the heel, step in, place the heel down. If we want to keep on going to that side, we shift, lift the heel, step out and down. Shift, in, down, going back. And then back to the start. Wuji position. Upper body movement. Float up. Cross. Drop one hand. Turn. Change. Turn. Changing hands in the corners. This is square. We want to circle. Shifting the weight. Turning the torso. One hand up, one hand down. Cloud hands. Let's imagine that the left hand is connected with the left foot and vice versa, so that whenever I change, sweep in, stepping out, sweeping in. Experiment with this connection of the foot and the hand. We can stand here, feet together, cloud hands side to side, and when we're ready, we can step out. Keep on going. Keep on going. Stepping, cloud hands, get to the other side. From the rear, shifting the weight, stepping out, lifting hands. This time let's shift the weight. Let's let the hand circle up and over. Change. Let's step to the left. And go back. Just one step to each side. And then go back. Let's stop, cross, separate, sink, step in. Let's cool down with gathering chi, relaxing from head to toe. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Thank you for joining me.